Moving heavy items? Try these expert hacks. Hey there! Moving day coming up? Let's talk about how to relocate your heavy belongings without hurting your back or breaking your furniture. Hack number 1. Use furniture sliders. These little discs go under furniture legs and help you slide things like couches or beds across the floor with ease. No heavy lifting needed. Hack number 2. Disassemble what you can. Take off legs, shelves, or drawers before moving. It makes items lighter and easier to carry through tight spaces. Hack number 3. Use a dolly or hand truck. Rent or buy a dolly. It's a must-have tool for safely moving fridges, washers, and big boxes. Hack number 4. Use straps for support. Lifting straps help you carry heavy things using your body's strength, not just your arms. They make big loads feel way lighter. Hack number 5. Protect yourself and your floors. Always wear closed shoes and gloves. Also, put blankets or cardboard on the floor to stop scratches. See? Moving heavy stuff doesn't have to be a pain. Just follow these simple hacks to move smart and stay safe. Like, share and subscribe for more moving tips. And remember, if something feels too heavy, don't risk it. Call Pro Removalists Adelaide at 1-800-981-581. Thanks for watching.